have helped people make the most.
Hello, Hot Rod. Oh, that was beautiful.
Doctors at Central Texas Dental Care have years of experience and
Do you have anything to say?
in cosmetic and restorative dentistry.
Hello, Hot Rod.
Of not being able to eat the foods you love or have problems with the security of your
Hello.
teeth, then you owe it to
Do you like the
yourself to get an
camera?
evaluation today. If you are
Does it-
looking for a smile you're
Oh.
proud of and want to fix those poor fitting
Yes, I'm
dentures
recording Hot Rod.
anytime, then call Central Texas Dental Care direct.
Oh, what a pretty bird.
Has he done anything yet?
0995.
Hello. He's been saying hello a lot. Oh, that was very high pitched. What is it? Hello.
You gotta send me a copy of that, okay?
Will do. Oh, yes. Yes. Do you want to dance? Dance. Good girl. Good job, Hot Rod. Want to dance? Dance. Woo. Dance, Hot Rod. No? Let me pet your little beak. Aw. Good birdie. Woo. You're good at doing that high-pitched squeak. What are you doing, Hot Rod? Oh, look at that. Look. Oh, dancing. Woohoo. 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 You're funny, Hot Rod. Yes, you are. Are you going to do a head scritchy? Head scritchy. Oh, yes. Oh. You try to bite me. Oh, are we going to dance upside down? Dance it upside down.
Apply for your Yes Money today at Cons.com and get ready to save big. Only at our new Cons Home Plus in Waco at North New Road and Franklin Drive. Oh yeah, it's big.
I'll let you preen.